everyone, welcome back to Summer Nutrition Club, and welcome to the second lesson in the mystery of mealtime. Today we have a special secret agent assignment. We are going to be a part of the Central Grain Intelligence and the National Protein Agency. So watch this video and learn more about proteins and grains. First, we'll start with learning more about proteins. So welcome to the National Protein Agency. So we have two sources that we get our protein from, animal sources and plant sources. So one of the main key differences is where these sources get their energy. Plants mainly get their energy from the sun, while animals get their energy from eating plants or other animals. This is a main difference that you can think of whenever you're eating proteins to see if you're eating an animal protein or a plant protein. Now, another way to put your memory to the test is to open your handout to page 2. You will see that there is a protein tic-tac-toe. Follow along the directions and pause this video, and then when we come back, we'll go over the answers. Now that you've had some time to do your protein tic-tac-toe, let's go over the answers. So first, we have black beans. What color do you think black beans should be? If you colored black beans green for plant protein, you're correct. Then let's move to chicken. It is an animal protein, so you should have colored it blue. Then we have almonds. Almonds are a plant protein, so they're going to be green. Eggs. Eggs are an animal protein, so they're going to be colored blue. Then peanut butter. Peanut butter is a plant protein, so it is going to be green. Tuna is a form of animal protein, so it will be blue. Tofu is a form of plant protein, so it will be green. And then steak is a form of animal protein, so you will color that one blue. Now that we've learned a little bit about proteins and the two different sources, we are going to learn some more about grains. So welcome to Central Grain Intelligence. We are going to learn the difference between a whole grain and a refined grain. So a whole grain, you would like to eat half of your grains every day as whole grains. But what is a whole grain? Well, looking at the picture in your handout or on the online of a grain kernel, there is a bran, endosperm, and germ. Each one has different nutrients and different parts that make you the best detective. So the bran has mostly fiber, the endosperm has what gives you all the fuel to do whatever you want throughout your day, and the germ is where a lot of the vitamin B is found. So all of those parts of the grain kernel make a whole grain, while a refined grain takes away the bran and the germ, so then you are just left with the endosperm. That is also why whole grains and refined grains usually have two different colors, where you see a lighter color with the refined grains and a darker color due to the bran in a whole grain. Now that we've learned more about that, you can also find whole grains in the store using the whole grain label that will be found on any product that contains whole grains. This is a great way while shopping that you can look for whole grains that you can eat throughout your week. Thanks for following along and being part of Central Grain Intelligence and the National Protein Agency. In the next videos, you can learn how to take your very own fingerprint for evidence and also follow along to learn how to make a tasty fingerprint veggie roll-up. Thanks, and see you next time.